I'm Anna McPherson from McGrath Estate Agents.
And I'm Adam Cook, and welcome to this amazing listing at 20 Bartlem Street in Yeppoon.
Sprawling over 4 levels, this impeccably finished McElhaney build is truly one to inspect.
Come on in, we'll have a look.
Situated on the 3rd story, adjacent to the open plan living and dining area, the well-appointed galley-style kitchen really is the hub of the home. Honestly, this property is simply stunning, but if I had to choose my absolute favourite part of the home, it'd have to be this private backyard with built-in gazebo and in-ground pool. This exceptionally appointed master suite situated on the top level really is what dreams are made of. You have a huge walk-in wardrobe, stunning open plan floor-to-ceiling tub ensuite with freestanding bathtub, your own lounge, not to mention that stunning sea view.
Wow, how spectacular is that sea view? If you'd like to own 20 Bartlem Street, please give Anna or myself a call. Thanks for viewing, see you on the next one.